Okay.
Okay, I got it pushed back. That little half wall where the seat was just needed to be pushed back in. There was a groove on that. So I'm just gonna put, I guess, one of these screws back in just to hold this from falling apart. And I'll mind Laura and do as she tells me. She kind of remembers how this went all together. One guy put it all together. And so, okay, I'm just not really feeling too great about this because it's not moving up here, but you want me to undo these bottom screws, huh?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, so
Screws right there. Can you see them?
yeah, I can see them.
But can the people see them?
I don't know, can they?
Can they?
If you can't see it on video, they can't see it. Did you see it?
Well, it's kind of an angle.
Okay.
There's a lip there so you can't see.
I hate working around glass. I always like to be real careful. I should have some rubber gloves on when I mess around with that glass door, and I think I have some in the other room that don't have any tar business on.
How can that be, Joe?
Yeah, I know.
Something without tar.
Yeah, amazing, huh? I've been working with tar. They call me a tar baby around here now. She calls me tar baby because I've gotten that tar everywhere. But you know what? The floors are gonna look killer when they get done, right?
Awesome.
Right, possibly.
They look awesome.
Yes, they will. Okay, here's. Now, I guess I should keep track of
These are different, aren't they?
these
Smaller?
screws, because these might be
Shorter?
a little shorter.
You put them over here in the window. In this
I'm afraid to even move this. Okay, move the camera back a little bit. What do you want me to do now? Now I'm being bossed around by a girl. What do you want me to do now?
Well, let's just see.
See, I can't. Nothing seems to be moving.
Aha, it is.
Well, it's swiveling a little bit.
It is.
I'm still contemplating what's going to happen here. You really think this glass door should stay on, huh?
Yeah, I do not remember it being a
Now
separate
see, this one
piece
here, it's got 3 screws on that side
as
too,
well.
right? But this is not really moving.
Well, why don't we just
What do you want?
try to take this one off now?
Okay,
Maybe
try to
that's,
take that
maybe
one out.
that's going to release it. I don't know for sure.
Okay, I'll,
Got that one out of the edge.
If this,
There you
hey,
go.
I make no promises that I'll never break that glass door. Yeah, I'm looking at you.
No, I don't think so.
That glass door breaks. I'm blaming you.
I'm not going to accept it. See, is it coming out?
Well, it's, I don't know. Why is it not coming here? See, there's no surface screws on that.
Okay, what are these? What are these? How do these attach?
Well, this one
Does it
here,
snap on?
this one here just swivels out, see? And I think that's how it's supposed to do down there. I think it's just kind of cocked in there.
He didn't caulk or glue anything.
Okay.
It just was
Yeah,
put
but I'm
together
saying,
like a Lego.
just over time, it
No.
might, just over time, it might just be kind of cocked,
No.
is what I'm saying. Caught, not caulked.
Oh, caulked.
Okay, not
Caught. Caulked.
Okay,
Right.
that seems like it's loose. Okay, do you see what I mean?
Uh-huh.
So, I mean, I should be able to just pull on it. It's
Well.
swiveling, and up at the top it's loose.
They have to make that phone call.
I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, Forrest. Forrest.
Okay.
Well, Okay.
You know,
Okay.
could it possibly have a pin in there where I have to lift this up?
Okay.
Okay? I think I might have to lift this
The
up. There might be
two-
a pin right there that goes down.
The two front walls were put in place. This came in last, this unit came in last, and then two screws, so I don't know.
I'm not,
That's how I understand that.
is this glass or
No.
plastic?
Glass.
Is it the sides?
It's glass, yeah.
All right. Let's put our thinking caps on. Okay, the thought was we're gonna loosen this side too and see what's going on here with this. I'm still not quite sure. I think it's kind of just been stuck through it. How many years has this been up here?
Since 2010,
Okay.
spring of 2010,
So a good 5 years more or more.
5.5.
And I'm just thinking something might have just the moisture and stuff. See, that's come loose, but it just seems like this is not, it's not coming apart. I'm afraid that if I move it too much, this whole thing's gonna fall out of here. You know? If one guy put this up and it went slap, 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 there's gotta be some easy little thing we're missing at this point. It seems like. I'm gonna grab a ladder here.
See, that's intact. The door piece just fit in.
Yeah, I'm not,
Because we know the two side panels, will back out, so that kind of just, something slid into place.
yeah, something, it
Yeah.
just has to slide through here. Okay, we'll get it.